Flitwick railway station was built by the Midland Railway in 1870. Ha! Who expected 1868 there? You're all wrong. Yet still an extension to London St Pancras International. The original buildings were restored in the early 1980s. They were originally platforms on two lines. This remains the case when the line was quadrupled. The Up Goods opened in 1893 and extended to Harlington in 1894, and the Downs Good was opened in 1895. It was not until 1960 that British Railways added the additional platforms to cater for extended stopping services between Bedford and London. So this is where it starts to get interesting, as we see 700 133 depart, with the 1123 Govia Thameslink service from Gatwick Airport to Bedford. Next in is 700 125, working the 1130 Govia Thameslink service from Bedford to Brighton via London St Pancras International. Coming around the corner is 222016, working 1 Delta 31 from London St Pancras International to Nottingham. Running 8 minutes late is 222013, working 1 Bravo 34 from Nottingham to London St Pancras International. Next into the station is 700 149, working the 1139 Govia Thameslink service from Brighton to Bedford. And next to arrive is 700 025, working the 1146 Govia Thameslink service from Bedford to Gatwick Airport via London St Pancras and Red Hill. Next up is 360 117 and 360 115. Working 1 Yankee 21 from London St Pancras International to Corby. Next up, running 8 minutes late, is 222011, working 1 Charlie 35 from Sheffield to London St Pancras International. And quickly on that thing's heels is 360-103 and 360-109, working 1H36 from Corby to London St Pancras International. Next into the station is 700-143, with the 11:53 Govia Thameslink service from Gatwick Airport to Bedford. Quickly going the opposite direction is 222023, working the 1 Foxtrot 32 from London St Pancras International to Sheffield. Arriving into the station now is 700-133, working the 12 o'clock Govia Thameslink service from Bedford to Brighton via London St Pancras International. Next, moving rather rapidly through the station is 222022, working 1 Bravo 37 from Nottingham to London St Pancras International. Next up, working the Toten RHTT path is 66186 and 66111. Running about 2 hours late. Taking refuge in the shelter, we see 222009, working 1 Charlie 38 from Sheffield to London St Pancras International. Next out to the station is 700-116, with the 1209 Govia Thameslink service from Brighton to Bedford. And coming in the opposite direction is 700-149, working the 1216 Govia Thameslink service from Bedford to Gatwick Airport via London St Pancras and Red Hill. Next for East Midlands Railway is 360-114 and 360-106, working 1H39 from Corby to London St Pancras International. And flying around the corner is 360-108 and 360-116. Working the 1 Yankee 23 from London St Pancras International to Corby. And here comes our train in the form of 700-108. Working the 1223 Govia Thameslink service from Gatwick Airport to Bedford. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.